Hey, what's up? This is Mr. Bart over here at Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville. And today's video is about what's required in order to register for your state board exam. First and foremost, you would need to go to the Department of Business and Professional Regulations website. Once you get on the website, you would create an account. After creating an account, you would fill out all the information that's needed in order to apply for a Florida barber's license. Then after you paid all your fees, you would need to upload a copy of your continuing education, which is a 2-hour HIV and AIDS course, okay? Once you upload that document, and once you fulfill the requirements needed in order to apply for your state board exam, like if you're prior military, you can upload your DD-214 form. Also, the school that you attended would need to upload the documents stating that you successfully completed the requirements in order to apply for your state barber's license. Now, after completing that application and submitting everything, you would get an email from the Department of Business and Professional Regulation with a code or a password. And then with that password, you would need to go on Pearson VUE's website. Pearson VUE is the agency that actually administers the Florida barber exam. With that password, and you would go ahead and schedule a test date. Thanks for watching.